Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line, or just the green lines, are coming from there. And first update that needs to be made, and like I said, I know I called that green, but I know what's going to occur. I'm changing this to red. So I promise I know my colors, but this is just all coming about a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. And even if you have just a basic 101 understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that rule. So in the event there is any sort of bounces, remember the markets are closed on Wednesday. That'll be the key level to, for the price to try to get back up above, again, at $17.50. If you've watched the past few videos I've done on this one, then $17.50 should sound familiar because I've talked about it quite a bit. But now instead of me talking about it as support, like I said, that'll be considered an area of resistance. As far as levels of current support are concerned, that's where $16.80 comes into play, that second green line here. And although the price never quite hit it exactly, and I think we can all agree, the price definitely got, within the general vicinity of that range. So keep an eye on that going forward. That'll be that level that ideally you do want to see hold. In the event, for whatever reason, the price cannot hold above the $16.80 mark. Next level of support after that, I'm not saying it'll shoot straight down there, but definitely 1680 is quite important because technically speaking, next level not until down around the $16.15 mark. Again, I'm not saying that if the price breaks through 680, it's going to be down there in the matter of minutes, but definitely a level to keep an eye on. In the event 1680 does not hold. But right now, a bit of a pullback today, but given the overall context of the market being down right around 800 points, I'd say this one is not alone or anything like that and having a bearish day. So we'll see how this week continues to play out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.